Guys, this is Mohanish and welcome back to Buzz with Mohanish. Today in this video, I'm going to give you an overview about how Facebook ads account looks like and works like. Also, I'm going to tell you what kind of ads should you use for different kinds of purposes which you have. Basically, to have an ads account, you first require a Facebook account, a Facebook page. You also require a business portfolio and then you can have an ads account. Once you get that, just go to the URL space here and enter adsmanager.facebook.com. Once you hit enter, this is the kind of dashboard you see. Now it's very easy to kind of understand and make sense of what this dashboard is and what it offers. Facebook Ads Manager is basically got three very important components. One is the campaigns, ad sets, and the third is ads. Think of it like different containers. So there is a large container called campaigns. Inside the campaigns, you have multiple smaller containers called ads. And inside each smaller container, you've got even more smaller containers called ads. So when you're running any kind of campaign, you have to first select what the campaign is. So you need to define your purpose. So let's say we create a campaign and I get these kind of options from Facebook. There is no other option where I can manually create an entire campaign. This is possible in Google, and I'm going to do another video on that to give you an overview about Google. So coming back to Facebook, you've got different campaign objectives called awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, and sales. A lot of people come to me asking that, awareness and traffic is pretty much similar. And when should we use this Monish? When to use awareness? When to use traffic? So see, awareness is a campaign where Facebook says that Facebook will show your ads to people who are most likely to remember them. So if you want a brand recall, if you want brand awareness, if you want just your page to reach out to different people, your products, your designs, whatever, then awareness is a good campaign for you to use. Traffic is when your posts are reaching out to them, but they are not engaging with it. So traffic is when you want someone to click on a particular post and land on a particular page. So when you give an advertisement on Meta ads account and you want to increase your followers or create a community around Instagram, then traffic is one campaign you can use. This is a great alternative to use when compared with boosting Instagram post. I'm making a different video on why you should not boost Instagram posts. So definitely watch that. Coming to engagement, slightly a step ahead of traffic, where in the traffic people are clicking on the link. Engagement is when they are clicking on the link and landing elsewhere. So engagement is slightly a step ahead of traffic, where Facebook is not only taking your post to showing it to a lot of people, but it is ensuring that there are high intent buyers who have this possibility of clicking on the post and landing on some other page like Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, etc. Leads and sales are these two things when you're looking for something more than brand awareness. You're looking for getting actual leads who you can convert into your customers, so they can be your leads who are basically purchasing something from you. Sales is also a thing where you're getting customers who are paying for your service or paying for your product. I'm making another video on how you can optimize your leads and sales ads and what it really looks like and what is the main difference between leads and sales. App promotion is basically if you want to promote your application which is on iOS or Android and you want to get people to install your applications. So this is an overview about Facebook ads account. Once you create a campaign under this campaigns, then you can create ad sets within the campaign. So I'm going to show you what I've already created. This is a test, like a dummy campaign. If I select the campaign here and go in ad sets for one campaign, the campaign which I've selected, that campaign's ad sets are seen here. Once I select a particular ad set and I go to just a moment. Okay, it's not clicking, but if I go to ads for one campaign, it will show me the ads which I've created under that particular campaign's ad sets. So this is a very short overview about what the Facebook Ads Manager looks like and the different kinds of ads which you can make on the Ads Manager. See you very soon in another video where I'll be explaining a lot more details. So please do like and subscribe this channel if you like the kind of content I'm giving out and also the way I'm teaching about these topics. I'm sure that there are lots of other content creators who are teaching. I've got a different style of teaching. So make sure you connect with me if you want to know genuine details about how different softwares and applications work in the world of digital marketing. See you soon.